Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Favicon to Wix website. So let's get started. In order to do that, you just need to head over to your Wix dashboard, and then from here, you should be able to see the sidebar. Now on the sidebar, just click on settings right here. Now once you have clicked on settings, you should be able to see everything. Now click on this website settings. Under your website settings, just scroll down until you can see this Favicon. Now Favicon under browser tab actually looks like this, which is this logo. So your currently Wix logo is your logo right here, and you need to upgrade the premium plan in order to have a custom Favicon. Now, if you upgrade to premium plan, it will actually open the Wix Pro Gallery for you, wherein you can upload your own media, or you can choose from a picture or the logo maker of Wix in order to add this Favicon in your browser. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!